Hi guys, welcome to Optionables weekly performance, and I'm Saket, and it had been quite a while since we did our last video. So we had covered our performance till last Thursday, that is I guess 15th of April 2021. After that we hadn't come out with any video, which means we are left to cover Friday of last week as well as the entire week, the fourth week of this month. So, first of all, for those who are joining us live for the first time, so what we'll be doing is we will be sharing our live performance of every day, and we will be playing the entire recording at a speed of around 50x. So you might see the screens running behind quite fast because we would have recorded for almost 3 hours every day, and we will play it at a speed of 50x, and that's the reason you'll find the video going so fast in the background. So I will not be wasting much time explaining each day what exactly happened, but rather I'll just be briefing you about how much we were able to earn each day and what happened to the overall week as such. So Friday was more of a range bound day, and the profits were quite good, but after 3 o'clock, post 3 o'clock, we saw some surge in the premiums both on put side as well as call side, and our profits fell to almost 20,000, and we booked around 20,000 profit. Then after that, on Monday, so we actually were shifting brokers. So from Goodwill, we are currently using Goodwill. From that, we are changing to First Stock. So First Stock is a new Bangalore-based broker. So we are shifting all our trades there. So while doing that, you can see by Monday we started using 2 terminals because we weren't able to shift everything one day. So you can see us using 2 terminals on Monday and Tuesday. So there you saw that in one terminal we had a loss of 1.2 lakh, in another terminal we had a loss of 60k. So totally on Monday we had a loss of 1.8 lakh. So I exactly don't remember what happened on Monday though, like how the market moved. Yeah, total loss was 1.8 lakh. And then when Tuesday again we were trading with 2 different brokers, so we had little problems with execution while we were shifting because it was hard to manage 2 accounts simultaneously. So we ended with a normal nominal profit of around 60,000. So we had 20,000 profit, 1.8 lakh loss, and a 60,000 profit in the first 3 days, netting to almost 1 lakh overall loss till Tuesday. And then coming to Wednesday, Wednesday was a holiday due to Ram Navami, and then Thursday was an expiry day. So Thursday expiry, the movement of the market was more or less one-sided. So it was just a up move. The market opened around 30,800 and it went all the way to 31,800, almost 1,000 point up move, where we were able to make somewhere around 5.2 lakh. So that you should be able to see on your screen eventually. So then finally Friday the market was range bound, but later towards the end the market started falling. Again we faced the same issue. By around 3132 we had a profit of around 70,000, but later it started falling after 35, I guess, due to increase in premiums due to IV, and many brokers will also be squaring off the positions of intraday positions, and you see some surge in premiums. So that is the entire summary, where we lost around 60,000 again. So till we had a loss of somewhere close to 1 lakh till Tuesday. Wednesday was a holiday. Thursday we made around 5,20,000, and again we lost around 60,000 on Friday. So net we ended with around 3.5 lakh positive. That is from last Friday to this Friday. So you will see all the trades going on live eventually. So I finished the entire summary quickly because I wanted to discuss about the market ahead as well. So, and I also wanted to discuss about the phenomenon which we saw recently. So before which, if you're liking this video, please do like and subscribe to the channel, because that will encourage us to post more such videos. And also don't forget to join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. You can also follow us on Facebook as well as Twitter and Instagram also. So the links for the same is again in the description below. So one phenomenon which we recently observed was after 3 o'clock. So this is not the first time we have seen many times after 3 o'clock premiums drastically increase. One thing which we associated with this is mostly because many brokers will start to square off the positions, and if there are a lot of short positions, those get squared off, and that's the reason you might see a premium increase. So we thought of bringing in slight change to the system by exiting it around 255 only. So we will try that from Monday onwards. So we'll try exiting the trades little early, because we have seen that happen couple of times where our M2M will be high and it drops right after 3 o'clock. So it's still unknown why exactly that happens. And then regarding markets, there is lot of uncertainty regarding the COVID situation. So the markets have already come down, but where the markets are headed from here is still unknown. So anything can happen. The markets can further correct or can shoot up. Bank Nifty has already corrected quite significantly. So if you see Bank Nifty, it was almost around 38,000 and it has fallen to 30,000 in hardly couple of months. So you saw around a correction of around 20 to 25% in Bank Nifty, and the results of banks are also not pretty great. So HDFC was below expectation. ICICI Bank has just met the expectations. As per some estimates, it's still below expectations. So we will have to see what will happen to Kotak, because even that has a significant impact on Bank Nifty as well as Nifty. Then IT results are okay. Infosys and TCS just met the expectation. Infosys was slightly below, but Wipro as well as HCL has managed to beat the expectation. So earnings are not really showing lot of growth. So we will have to see how that moves ahead. But if you are a long-term investor, you can definitely deploy some funds at this time. So we personally deployed around 25 to 30 lakh during the last week by buying shares of banks, FMCG and IT. And so if the market further continues to correct, we plan to deploy much more in investing in equities. So that is with regards to the market, but definitely we do expect the market to head up much higher from here in a few months to come, because all the world markets are already at a pretty high level, almost at all-time high, and we expect India also to go there. Maybe there might be delay of 3 to 4 months, but we do definitely expect India to reach there. So that is for the entire video, and we will see what will happen next week. So the entire April month has been really good. If I am not wrong, we are at a net profit of somewhere close to 9 lakh with options. So we'll see how that goes in the coming days. Thank you so much for joining. See you soon.